Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I have a fun idea for a video today. So I decided to do a nail art haul or nail supply haul, but it's going to be a little bit different. So it's going to be everything that I bought as a gel nail tech / press on artist in the last month. And I think I might do a series of these. So first of all, and they're going to be from loads of different places. So first of all, this is a Beetle's top and base coat, and it is from Amazon. So I would use this for press-ons and not on my clients. And I have never tried this brand before. Believe it or not, I have nothing from Beetle's I have nothing at all from Beetle's. This is the first item that I've ever bought. So this is their top coat and their base gel. And I got it on Amazon. It was on sale, I think, for about €8. And that is, I know a lot of my subscribers are from the US, so €8 is around about $8. It's pretty much the same, give or take. So I thought that was really, really good value. And yeah, I'm dying to try it because I know a lot of people rave about it. So especially for the press-ons, just to thicken up the base coats and stuff like that. And then next up, this next thing is also from Amazon. So this is the mini sanding bands for the mini mandrel bit. So if you are a gel nail tech or an acrylic nail tech or anything like that, and you haven't tried the mini mandrel sanding band bit yet, you have to try it. It is so good. Makes such a difference for your prep to get in closer to the cuticle and the sidewall areas. But have to say, those ones were an epic fail. They were terrible. I think they were only about €6 and they were so cheap, but they were rubbish. Half of them are not even working. So I just wouldn't go there with those. They're not worth it. They were a very bad buy. Next up, we have this gorgeous 3-tier shelf from AliExpress. So this is one of these 3-tier shelves that loads of people have. You see them on loads of people's nail room tours and videos and things like that. And I just wanted more space for my gel polishes. I'm going to insert a video here. So I already have a few of these shelves, so I just wanted to get another one, and I popped loads of Madame Glam on them like so. They're so pretty. I love watching all the polishes together. I love displaying gel polishes. I don't like to have them away in a drawer. I just like having them out in the open so you can see what colours you have and all that, so you don't forget about anything. So this was also on sale from AliExpress, and I think it was around about €6. So that was perfect. I popped that straight into the cart and got it. And I think AliExpress now is only taking about two and a half weeks for delivery. It used to be a lot longer. Okay, so next up, I got some of the stiletto swatch sticks that I always use for my clients to have a look through my polishes. These are the ones that I always use. They're stiletto, and I get them from a variety of different places, but in this case, they came from AliExpress. And then next up, this item came from my local hair and beauty supply store. So this is a gel bonder from the manicure company, and I use this underneath their hard gel or builder gel system. So this is like a clear base gel. You do have to cure it in the lamp. Cure it for 2 minutes. It is a UV product, I believe, so you do have to cure it for 2 minutes. Even if you do have an LED lamp, I always give it the full UV 2-minute cure just in case. But this next item up here is from AliExpress, and these are so cute. I love them. They are like the dupe for those gel flowers that are really, really on trend at the moment. The ones that they're like the hibiscus flowers, and everyone is making them out of gel. So I spotted these. I think they were about €2 to €3. But if you want links to anything that I am showing here, guys, just text or comment down below, and I'll put them straight up in the description box as soon as I can. But yeah, these are so pretty. I can't wait to use them. I'm probably going to use them in a press-on video in the next couple of weeks. So they're so pretty. I think they're such a good little dupe. And they had loads of different colours as well. So I think I just liked the pink one. Pink is always good when you're not sure, they have purple and this, that and the other, but I think pink is always a good one just to start off because pink is so popular in the nail world, as we all know. So yeah, I'm just going to pop those back in the bag and see what's up next. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. If you are, please hit subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Now, this is also from AliExpress, but a funny kind of story about this one is my daughter opened my package and I just got this and it was all ripped. And I'm pretty sure I ordered more as well. So there's only 30 here, and I'm pretty sure I ordered more of these. So I don't know where they are. They weren't covered in plastic or anything, but I think my daughter ripped it open and I lost the remainder of these little sticky things. They're just the double-sided tape for press-on cardstock. Okay, so next up, this is a Glitterbels order, and I'm just showing you at the start of opening the box there. They just pop in a leaflet to show you everything that they have in their range, their acrylics and their builders and all that kind of stuff. So I do order from Glitterbels on a monthly basis to top up my builder in a bottle. I use their brush on builder a lot. So I wanted to try a new shade here. So this is it. It is Pink Shimmer. And I was just pulling out the bottle because I noticed it was a slightly different packaging to their usual brush on builders, and does have slightly different instructions at the back as well. So I was a little bit confused about that, but it could be just older packaging. I'm thinking I might email Glitterbels and see, because you can see this is Candy Pie, and it's just, they both say brush on builder, but the directions and stuff at the back are just slightly different. So if anyone knows that down below, please comment and let me know, because I was just a bit confused opening those. But this is the colour, the new Pink Shimmer that I got. It's so pretty. There's just the slightest shimmer in it. So I can't wait to try that. I might try it on my daughter and see how it works, just to see how long it lasts and stuff. So this is Candy Pie. That's a swatch of Candy Pie. It's really, really, really popular. And this is Pink Shimmer then swatched beside it. So you can just see it has the slightest little shimmer going through it. It's so, so pretty. I think it'd be cute underneath a French tip, if you know what I mean. So this as the French base. And I also got their no wipe top coat. So that's kind of like a minimum Glitterbels order a month that I would do. And then I was in Pennies. So Pennies in Ireland is Primark everywhere else. And I just picked up some files. I've never tried their files before, but I was just looking at their nail section and I spotted these for $1.80. They're kind of more like emery board. I'd say they'd be one use kind of file, but I was thinking if someone was coming in and they just had a really short manicure or a little short gel polish, I think they'd be handy just to have. Do you know, sometimes you can run out of these files, and yeah, definitely for the price, I just popped them into my basket. Okay, so last but not least, these are some bubble mailers from Amazon, and these were a rush buy. I usually get these in bulk from AliExpress or Temu, but I needed these in such a rush, so I just went on and ordered A4, which are bigger than what I usually get as well. I usually get them a bit smaller. So I ordered these. I think they were about €12 for a 20 pack, and you can definitely get them cheaper if you order them in bulk on different websites. So yeah, this was definitely a rush buy. But thank you so much if you made it this far, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I'm going to do more like this. Let me know if you like it, and if you do, I will do more of what I buy in a month as a gel nail tech / press on artist. Thank you so, so much. I'll see you in the next one.